Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Gonna scrap some TVs. New school versus old school. See who gives us better. New school, old school. I'm going with the old school. First, I want to thank all my subscribers for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I wouldn't be where I am today without y'all. So let's get started scrapping. Start with the new school. I don't think I got my other reach it, so I use a regular screwdriver. See y'all in a second. It's broke. I gotta get another one. Well, we got her open. A little bit of copper. Maybe that's more copper. I don't know much about ease waste. And metal. So far, speakers. This, I don't know if it's worth anything. Okay, it's made in China. Another little circuit board. So all we got was this. Some speakers, a little bit of wire, copper, some metal from the new school TV. See what old school gives us. Now let's see what old inky dinky old school gives us. Has to be better than the new school, because it didn't give us nothing. So the only thing old school, or the new school TV gave us was a few little boards. Some metal cord. And old school gave us copper yoke, some wires. But I say old school beats new school. What do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. I get a little rough with this one. Didn't have a long enough screwdriver to get the screws out, so I had to Hulk smash it. Look at that. TV yoke, copper, another board down there that I probably won't get out. If you ask me, old school TVs are better to do than this school. Some people it ain't worth doing, some people it is, but I'll probably be like those people that y'all don't like. When you roll up on scrap, the cords are cut. Because I'll probably start cutting the cords unless I find an old school TV it's got copper yoke so I can get. But y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, and keep scrapping, y'all. Peace out. See y'all in the next video.